not so fabulous. Oh my gosh! I love it. I'm gonna get some scissors to cut these things off so that I can, you know. I like that. I like it a lot. I just think it's so fun having a home now that I can decorate as I want, as I please. And like, this is gonna be just so gorgeous right here. It's so fall. I have these dingly, droopy things, these purpley flowers, and then green. Can you see? So cute. Flip off the little tags because those are not cute. And this is just so gorgeous. This little table was something that was gifted to my dad, and then I got it from him. My parents' house didn't have space for the table, so I took it. I was like, Father, don't you worry, I will take it. So here we are. Because this is a really old vintage table, it doesn't have any screws, so the top literally just like sits perfectly in its spot, but it's a little scary. Like, I hope nobody ever messes with it. I'm also going to be hosting for the first time this weekend. I do have family that's visiting right now, so I wanted to host a little something because I'm officially, you know, now living in my home, and I thought it'd be really cute just to have a very wholesome little get together with my cousins. They're my cousins' kids, but I consider them my cousins. So I'm gonna have them here, and I think it's gonna be really fun. We're just gonna have like pizza and like little sliders. My mom's gonna cook, so that's gonna be really cute. So pretty, I'm so excited. I should have done a little before and after, but there was literally nothing. There was just an empty pot that I had sitting on here on this little table. So the transformation is pretty much from nothing to something. So I'm going to add these. I don't know what these are called, but they're just so cute. And I love how droopy they are. I was also debating whether I should get this base because it's really heavy, really amazing quality, and it's like a mustard yellow. There was also another one that was just a white color, but I've been really into color, and I knew that when I had my home, I wanted to incorporate a lot of fun colors that kind of gave like grandma chic vibes. So that's why I went with this one, the mustard yellow. I think that it works really well. See, my dad is really great with floral arrangements. He should have done this for me, but he's working. You guys, I love it already. I do, it's so cute. That looks cute. I like it. Okay, and then these purpley ones. Stop it. I'm obsessed. Now, do we leave these that tall? Or cut them a little shorter? I don't know. And then my dad will tell me. He has a better eye for this than I do. I'll ask my dad when he's here. Wait, my dad's home! Chip! I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I approve. I hope you approve. I hope you love. But that is gorgeous. That is everything. Let me give you a little spinny spin. Just look at that. Are we obsessed? That's so cute. It's perfect. So cute. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I am making meatballs in the crock pot. Again, I've been really into my crock pot. So right now I have the glaze that's gonna go on top of the meatballs. I just hope that it tastes good. I mean, I love a meatball. This is more of like a garlicky, coconut amino, sesame oil type of vibe. So I hope that it's good. cute. Okay, now it says to put it on high. Put it on high for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, I'm gonna do 2:30 and then come back, check on it. And I'll be adding some frozen broccoli in there as well. And I'll be eating this with a side of white rice. Ignore the box. I got a new TV for the living room, so ta-da! And look at this gorgeous, beautiful dinner, or dinner. I mean, it's 5:30. I'm an early dinner kind of girl. So I wanted to give it a taste test. It smells absolutely delicious. I tasted the sauce and it's so good. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Wow, that's delicious. I basically cooked for my entire family, so I'm gonna take this over so my parents can try it as well. I hope that they love it as much as I loved it. Really, really great. Again, really easy, simple, healthy, and it was on TikTok, so I'm gonna have the link down below so that it takes you directly to the recipe that I followed. So, really amazing. I love this whole cooking in the crock pot thing.